Hi all, today we're talking about this brand new Optimate product, and it's the Optimate Solar 10-watt Duo car kit. It is your perfect solar charger and maintainer for your small car's battery, and everything you need fits inside this handy carry case. Your kit contains a handy carry case, the instruction manual, your 10-watt solar panel with 4 suction cups, your 5-amp smart controller, which is suited for both 12-volt lead acid and 12-volt lithium batteries, and there's 2 ways you can connect onto your battery. You have a set of clips for direct connection, and there's an OBD adapter, so you can use your OBD system of your car.